guys, Hunsicker here. So listen, I wanted to show you how to get those pictures into a Google Doc. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is unlock your phone. Sorry, I got this new phone. I don't know how to use it. Okay, so you're going to go into either on your phone, if you have a Google Drive app, you can add a new Google Doc from there. If you have the Google Doc app, you can just add a new Google Doc, okay? So we're going to add a new one. You can name it Workbook, okay, Pages, whatever, okay? Oh, look at that. It autocorrected it to Work Like, okay? And then up here, there's a plus button. So you're going to click on the plus button, and you can add an image, and you can take a picture directly from your photos or from your camera, okay? So I'm going to take a quick selfie. Okay, so here's my picture. I'm going to use this picture, and then I'm going to add another one. So I'm going to click on my plus button again. I'm going to add an image directly from my camera. Take another selfie. Or a picture from your workbook, okay? And then when you're done, okay? So you remember what it's called? It's called Work Like. Here's what else you have to make sure. You have to make sure that you are in the correct Google account. So remember, Canvas works with your Coral Academy email, okay? And so you have to use your Coral Academy, not a personal one that you have. It has to be Coral Academy. So definitely check that setting. Okay, so here we are. Now we're in Canvas. So there's actually two things I wanted to show you in Canvas. I discovered this with someone during tutoring today, and so I just think it's pretty awesome, and I want to share this with you. And I'll show you where that Google Drive pops up in a second, okay? So the first thing I want you to notice is way down here in the corner, I am in student view. So this is what it looks like kind of on your end. Now, your home screen may not look exactly like mine because you might have your home screen set up, or this portion of the site might be set up a little bit different for you. So maybe you're looking at a course stream or something like that, okay? But one of the things that I wanted to show you is over here on the side. I want you to go down to grades. Now keep in mind this is a test student, okay? And the test student never really does any work. So the test student does have a 0 right now. But I wanted to show you in the list of grades, so this is everything we've done in math so far, one of the things that people don't always look at are the comments. So I leave you comments often on your assignments. So if you look over on this side, down this last column, I don't know if you notice this exclamation point. If I click on this exclamation point, it tells me this assignment does not count towards the final grade, okay? So I can close that. This is something related to, so the grade statistics, like every time I give you guys an assignment, it tells me what the average score is, and obviously the test student doesn't count, okay? But there's another icon that you might miss sometimes, and that's right here. They look like little speech bubbles. If you click on that, there's a comment that I have made or have given you on that assignment. Unfortunately, I don't believe Canvas has it set up where this is like a notification. So I don't think you always get notified. But if you're ever curious, hey, why did I get such a grade? Look for a comment and see. So the comment that I wrote for this one says, this file is empty. Did you check to see if you were using the correct email address? Okay. All right. So the other thing that I wanted to show you is up in the assignments. So if you go click on assignments, I don't know about you, but this can be really daunting if you're scrolling through and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I have to do, and this looks like way too much, okay? So what you can do up here in the top corner where it says all grading periods, go click on that and just do quarter 2. This is just going to show you what we've done so far in quarter 2, okay? These are all the past assignments that are either overdue or you've already done or that are missing. This is the assignment that is due Sunday night, okay? So if you go click on this where it says workbook practice, right, and you're getting ready to submit it. So when you click on it and it says Submit Assignment. If you scroll down at the bottom, there are some options that you have, okay? Now remember, we took our smarty phones and we took some pictures, okay? So you can go down here to where it says Google Drive, and when you click on it, it's going to pull up your Google Drive, okay? But remember, Canvas is linked to your school account. Now this isn't going to let me do it because I'm looking at it as a student and there's no test student Google Drive. But what will pop up is a place for you to type in whatever you named your file. Remember, we named mine Work Life or something, or like, or something like that, so you can just type it in and look for it. You click on that file and then hit Submit or Save or something to that effect, okay? So I thought that was really interesting. I thought those were two good tips and tricks to show you.